Hi guys, it's Alicia with A Joyful Mess. Today we're going to be making this super cute paper Easter egg garland. We're going to use some simple supplies that you already have around the house. The first thing that you're going to need to get is some paper. I have a piece of white paper and I have some colored paper, and then I also have this really fun scrapbook paper that I'm going to use with all these different decorations and patterns and things. If you don't have any scrapbook paper at home, that's fine. Just get a lot of different colored construction paper. We also need scissors, tape, pencil, glue, and some type of string or yarn so that you can string up your garland. All right, you ready? Let's get started.
So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw an egg shape on my white piece of paper. Now you can make this as big or as small as you want. It just depends on how big or how small you want the eggs to be on your garland. I'm going to make mine kind of small, and I'm just going to draw an egg shape on my paper. Now it may take you a couple times to get the shape that you like, but that's okay. So I'm going to draw until I get just the right egg shape on my paper. There it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out that egg to make a stencil. So now all the eggs on my garland are going to be this size, and they're going to all look exactly the same. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out some paper. So I got some scrapbook paper that has lots of different colorful designs, and I chose pieces that had some different like stripes, polka dots, zigzags, things that were different. They are not all stripes, they're not all polka dots. I also picked out colors that worked well together. So there's some yellow in these, there's some green in these ones, there's some red in those. So I wanted to make sure that I picked colors that went well together. Then I got some regular construction paper that also matched with those colors too. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take those pattern paper and you're gonna cut strips. Okay, I'm going to keep going and I'm going to cut strips about the same width, just like this. I've already done that, so I'm going to pull some of the strips over that I've already cut. All right, once I have those strips cut, then I'm going to get some more white paper and I'm going to glue them onto this white paper. So if I look at my white paper, I can actually fit 2 eggs on this piece of paper. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to cover the whole area. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I have enough glue that will work for my egg, and then I'm going to start laying these strips down on that glued area. I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to work my way down. When I do this, I'm trying to put different patterns. So this is a polka dot pattern, so I'm not going to do a polka dot underneath that one. I'm going to do a zigzag, but I could do a polka dot underneath that. And then I'm going to try to stay away from polka dots, so here's another zigzag pattern. So I'm just kind of trying to keep my polka dots away from each other. It doesn't really matter. If you want to put your polka dots together, that's fine. Not a big deal. It's just however you want your egg to look. All right, so now I've got those glued down onto my paper. I'm going to take my egg and I'm going to lay it on top and I'm going to trace it like that, and I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so I have one of those eggs. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 pattern eggs, and then I'm going to make 3 that are not pattern, 3 that are just solid color. So I'm going to lay these 3 on top of each other. I'm actually going to cut them out all at one time. So I'm going to get my egg, lay it on top of those, trace it, and cut them out. All right, now I have 3 eggs that are exactly the same size, just different colors. So I have my 3 colorful pattern eggs on top, and I have my 3 colorful paper eggs on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lay them out in the order that I want them on my garland. So I'm gonna put mine like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over to the back. Now you don't have to flip over your color ones if you don't have your pencil marks showing, but if your pencil marks are showing from when you outlined it, it might be a good idea to flip it over. Then I'm gonna take some string or ribbon, whatever you're gonna use. I'm gonna lay it out so that I know I have enough. I'm gonna cut some extra on the ends. And then I'm gonna get my tape and I'm gonna start in the middle and I'm gonna tape the string onto the back of each egg. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it over and I have my Easter garland. Now you could keep going. You could add a whole bunch more eggs. You could add enough eggs to where you wrote Happy Easter on all the eggs. It's totally up to you. You could measure where you're gonna put it and make your garland that long, but I'm gonna keep mine like this. I think I'm gonna go hang it up over my fireplace. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you know when we have new videos coming up. We'll see you next time.